We're getting some big news that's breaking this minute coming in from the top court. The Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informs the Supreme Court that the centre prima facie finds Sudarshan TV's Bindas Bowl program has violated the program code and that a detailed show cause notice has been issued to the channel to explain why action may not be taken against it. So that's the latest update coming in from the top court with regards to the Sudarshan TV's show. The centre there telling the Supreme Court that the show has in fact violated the code, asking the channel to reply by September 28th. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja for all the updates coming in. Meenakshi, over to you for the latest updates there with regards to the centre now saying that prima facie Sudarshan TV's show in fact violated the code.
Well, massive developments coming in, Apurva, from the Supreme Court. Our viewers will recall it was only Friday when the Supreme Court had pointed out the lapses by the IB Ministry's clearance, which was dated the 9th of September, which had cleared this program. And the Supreme Court in its hearing had pointed out the lapses pertaining to the oversight of 3 sections at least of the Cable TV Regulation Act. And it had asked for the solicitor to respond to this in a detailed manner. And just as the hearing commenced today, massive development happening with the Solicitor General informing the Supreme Court that prima facie now the central government does find that there has been a violation on the part of Sudarshan TV as far as the Cable TV Regulation Act is concerned, and therefore the central government now has issued notices to the said channel to respond by the 28th of September. Interestingly, the government also wanted for the Supreme Court to defer this hearing till the IB Ministry can find out about the response of Sudarshan TV and then take a subsequent recourse to this matter. However, Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud of the 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court has said that as far as deferring of this case is concerned, the Supreme Court will take a call on this later. But the massive development today has been as to how now the central government does find a violation on the part of Sudarshan TV. And this is happening after the Supreme Court had pointed out the lapses or the oversight of the sections that the government could have missed on Friday. And remember, Apurva, this is a program which was cleared by the IB Ministry on the 9th of September. So clearly, this is a huge turning point in this case where the government of India itself now is saying that indeed there has been a violation.
All right, Meenakshi, request you to stay with us at this point. More breaking updates coming in.